quick mole chilaquiles is the recipe that I'm going to be making today, and it's really easy. All you have to do is cut up some tortillas. Just cut them into triangular pieces like this, and this is going to vary on how much chilaquiles you want to make. And now in a pan we're going to add some oil and let that heat up. Once it's heated, we're going to start to add our tortillas and fry those up on both sides. And you want to repeat this process until you're all done with all the tortillas that you cut up. Once they're lightly browned, we're going to take them off and put them on a paper towel lined plate so it could absorb some of that oil. And here they are. We're going to set these aside for now and start making our mole sauce. And I'm using the ready-made mole Maria, but go ahead and use your favorite mole. I just added some water to this, or you could add chicken broth if you'd like, and just mix it until you get the consistency of like gravy type. Once it's thickened, we're ready to make our eggs. And of course you're going to cook them to your preference. I'm choosing to have 2 egg whites and 1 egg yolk, and I'm going to season with salt and pepper to my personal taste. Once everything's cooked and ready, we're going to get ready to assemble our chilaquiles. So on a plate, we're going to place all our tortilla chips that we made. So they don't have to be perfect. I have a little pet peeve about things being in the middle of the plate. And now we're going to just cover this with sauce, with our mole sauce. And I like my chilaquiles kind of crispy. That's why I'm pouring it over instead of throwing the tortilla chips into the sauce. So that's why I'm doing it like this. But if you like soggy, go ahead and add your tortilla chips to your sauce. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle some queso fresco. This is to your personal taste. You can omit this if you don't want any. And we're going to top that with our egg. And now for our garnishings and more flavor, some slices of fresh avocado. And some sour cream, just to finish up our plate. And we're ready to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my recipes. I upload Monday through Thursday, and as always, thanks for watching. Talk to you next video.